I'm Natalie Diaz, Assistant Director of Workforce Development at the California Primary Care Association. CPCA is really excited to share with you today an opportunity to develop and implement a strategic workforce plan that is not only agile, but dynamic enough to help your community health center thrive. We know that many of you are facing a variety of health workforce challenges right now. The COVID-19 pandemic exacerbated the impact of staff burnout, turnover, the aging workforce, skill gaps, and unfilled vacancies. We have shifted how we organize, train, recruit, and retain our teams to meet our patients' needs. CPCA is dedicated to serving community health centers and is working with the Health Resources Services Administration and other primary care associations across the country on a national initiative. We strive to increase the percentage of health centers with strategic workforce plans, enhance existing strategic workforce plans, and offer professional development opportunities for staff. CPCA is partnering with the Human Capital Institute to offer a strategic workforce planning certification program to community health centers. It builds on conversations we've had about strategic workforce planning in CPCA's Workforce Committee, HR Peer Network, and other spaces. Here with me to talk a little bit more about this is Karen with HCI.
Thanks, Natalie. Hi, everyone. I'm Karen Guzicki with the Human Capital Institute. I'm a faculty member, and throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to work both for and with a variety of healthcare organizations on strategic workforce planning. And I'm very much excited to partner with CPCA in delivering this learning experience for you. I'd like to start by telling you just a little bit about the Human Capital Institute. We offer research-based learning experiences to help people align their human capital strategy with their business strategy. We're headquartered here in the US, but we do have a global footprint, and we work with organizations across multiple industries, including healthcare. Throughout our history, we've had the opportunity to work with some amazing organizations, and you can see on your screen a partial list of some of the more recent ones that we've partnered with.
Karen, I'm sure many who are listening today are wondering, what is strategic workforce planning? Can you give us a little more context into this?
Absolutely. In its most simple form, strategic workforce planning is a discipline process. It's to help ensure your organization has both the right quantity and the quality of talent for the organization to deliver on its strategic plan. Let me direct your attention to the screen where you're going to see a visual that does a nice job in explaining strategic workforce planning. Additionally, I also think it's helpful to talk about what strategic workforce planning is not in order to provide some more context. It's not at all uncommon for organizations to sometimes confuse strategic workforce planning with operational planning. Now, operational planning is, of course, very important, but it focuses on considerably shorter timelines. It's aligned to the business plan, not the strategy, and it's intended to leverage internal data so that you can help put things in place like a staffing plan, or maybe understand a skill gap that you might have with respect to your talent. Strategic workforce planning takes us much further into the future with a lot more robust inputs, and the output is strategic, not tactical.
That's a helpful distinction, thank you. As you know, community health centers have a diverse workforce of committed professionals who have different needs around strategic workforce planning. Can you walk us through some of the benefits of participating in the learning experience?
Of course. You know, one of my favorite things about this course, as with all the HCI courses, is that we take the learning out of that theoretical and academic realm and we make it very practical. We also provide you with everything you need to be successful, including a robust toolkit that will allow you to use our strategic workforce planning methodology in a way that's going to work best for your organization. But don't just take my word for it. I want you to see what some of our participants have said about the benefits of this course.
As Karen has shown, many industry leaders have leveraged this training to start or enhance their strategic workforce planning and have had excellent results. We are bringing this robust learning opportunity to community health centers via a cohort-based learning program made up of a concentrated course, interactive workshop, learning accelerators, office hours, and executive briefings. We are working to integrate health equity, DEI, and innovation, all of which are critical pieces to our work. Participants are going to walk away with an in-depth understanding of strategic workforce planning, a certificate, and/or professional credits. This is a unique learning opportunity for all community health center staff. Karen, what might you say to participants who are likely to have a different degree of experience with strategic workforce planning?
Our job is to meet you wherever you are. Maybe you've done this before and you endorse the process. Think of this as an opportunity to refine your skills. But if you know nothing about strategic workforce planning, we don't want you to worry. We're here to help you. We will have tools for you to use along the way, opportunities for you to practice your new skills, and opportunities for you to collaborate with others during your learning experience. Our workshops that immediately follow the course are a valuable opportunity for you to put your learning into practice while we walk alongside of you to ensure that you are successful.
Thank you, Karen. I know that we are really looking forward to offering this opportunity to our health centers and are excited to see the impact that it will have. For all those listening today, we welcome you to contact CPCA if you have any questions by emailing training@cpca.org or by visiting our website at cpca.org/SWP. Thank you so much.